Mix powdered milk with Nutella for a 2-ingredient dessert. Start by adding 10 tablespoons of powdered milk to a bowl. Gradually add Nutella and mix it in. This is the perfect consistency for our mixture. Now take a small portion and start shaping it. I'm adding peanuts in the center, but it's optional. You can skip this step if you prefer or don't have any. For a sweeter treat, add more Nutella in the center. Repeat this process with the remaining mixture. Look how amazing this no-bake Nutella truffle turned out. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Sending you a big hug. See you next time. Thanks for watching.